Today I caught two trades in which I gained over 100% profit on what I invested in on both of those trades. So I'm going to break down both of these trades, what I was looking at, and how I executed. So the first one was Tao, and looking at Tao, I'm gonna delete these indicators for now. But looking at Tao, I seen we're in an uptrend as we had this low, this high, higher low, higher high, and it pulled back, right? And it pulled back to my favorite fib level, which is that 786, 886 level right here, right? So I was already interested once it pulled back to that point. I also had this level here drawn out in which the market tapped and rejected from multiple times in the past. So I was interested in this level and seeing how price will react to this level. After seeing that, I went down to the 15-minute, in which we see here the market did go a little bit below it, wicked below it on this 15-minute. But you see the market pushed back up above it, which I wanted to see it break above this level here, this zone here, but then also this green dotted line. And the reason why I had this green dotted line is because when I look to the left, there's just lots of rejection in this area, as we see multiple times right here, multiple times here, and so on and so on. So I kind of wanted to see the market break above both of these, in which it did, in which I entered here. Stop loss slightly below the low. The market pushed up, and then when it pulled back around here, I ended up getting out, but I should have just held it. But this trade has the potential to go up to a 4R, and it already hit a 2R at one point. So we're going to see if it can continue to push up. But still was a solid trade, solid execution. And then also because of this level, I was kind of nervous a little bit. But on to the next one was Tia, which is like a very, very similar setup. Still was in the uptrend. We can continually see these higher highs and higher lows continually happening. And then we also see after we got this low to this higher high, we seen the market pull back to that 786, 886. At the same time, we got this level where we're seeing multiple rejections. So I had this level marked off. After that, I went down to the 15-minute, in which I did see the market push down below it. So I was looking to see if the market could push back above this zone, but then also above this dotted line, because this is once again an area where the market was tapping multiple times and rejecting off of. And once this candle printed and it closed, bam, and this exactly is the setup right here. And as you can see, the market's pushing up, right? And so this one has a potential for a 3R. I got out of this, like I said, around this area too, because it came to the zone, started pulling back, and I thought it was going to react this way. So I ended up getting out, but still a solid trade, still solid setups. And I just follow the same trading setups, right? The same simple setup, execute every time. And so if you are looking for a group where you can get free signals, free setups, I do live trainings as well in this group. I will link that down below. If you are interested in these type of videos, keep on liking, keep on commenting on these videos. Definitely subscribe if you haven't. And I'm going to try to put out these videos a lot more often on trades that I took each day, and then how I executed, why I executed on them, and all of that type of stuff. But other than that, I will see y'all in the next video.